All right, boys and girls. Wow, we got a lot of big ones. This is number third one of the day. I'm gonna do. Yeah, they're probably. Yeah, Taz, remember that? Eh? I'm gonna do the part four tomorrow as first bin. I'm not gonna list any more tonight. I didn't expect this one to sell, but you guys are all over it. So thanks a lot. We're on 15s, and here's the sheet. Thingy up here. So yeah, look at that. Matt snuck in there. Eh? He couldn't resist. I actually just heard him say he's out of this one, and then boom, got teams. Alright. Now we're on 15s. Taz, Todd, and Taz with the darts. Todd, Chuck, Taz, and Tex. Oh, you're the last team Mojo guy? No wonder. So last team Mojo is always a good bet. Alright, Taz, Todd, and Taz. Let's see what we got for you. Single 16. Single, this is for Taz. Single bull. Boom sauce S for Taz. And single 10. Too bad. Boom sauce letter. Todd gets 3. The Todd's luck, he'll probably get endless bonuses here. Double 6. I think Todd left, didn't he? He probably didn't expect this one to sell. Double 6, double 20. He'll probably do awesome and then never see it. And then like watch the video 12 months from now. And double 8. Yeah, 18 spots, it is easy. Whatever you get tonight, you're pretty well guaranteed to get a card, eh? Because you're going to get some points, I'm sure. And Taz, back to you. Double 6. Triple 10. And, oh, boom sauce U. A couple boom sauce letters at least. And the epic 4 that you don't need, or do you? I don't think you're on that list, are you? Nope. Wes, Peanut, Dwayne, Brian, Sid, and Matt. And Bill, which I never remove him from the list. Single 9 for Chazer. Yeah. You won a box, didn't you? That's right. Yeah, I remember those too, the luxury suite packs. That was a cool prize, and those boxes are expensive. That's why when I got a couple luxury suite, I was like, oh yeah, it's gonna make a cool little hit draft prize for this. All right, so I already showed you the sheet, didn't I? So what am I doing? Wheel spins, right? Hello, Todd. Here's your spin, Todd. Buffalo is an extra dart. So that this single 3 over onto your pile there. Chucky's up. I'm sure he'll get a magnet of some form, because it's been at least 12 minutes since he's won a magnet. So. Oh, he's got a Bills pile. Nice. Luckily I made a bunch of those today. I'll give you this one on the front. This one has the Stickwork box magnet. Been making some product box shot magnets. So Bill, Stickwork, Eddie the Eagle, Mario Lemieux, Marc-Andre Fleury, Step Band, double. That's what a 50. Noah Hannafin, Retro Rookie Rainbow. Todd will love this, because see this Tom Barrasso card? Yeah, I had 30 of these back in the day, and all kinds of people got them. So I know Todd won 2 or 3 of them, and I ended up getting it back. Ilya Bryzgalov, Eric Selleck, Jonas Brodin, $2.99, Crosby Canvas, Thornton Canvas, Jason Arnott autograph, and a Mosaics jersey, Gagliardi, Stastny, and Duchesne. So you go, big old pile for Chucky. Bill's pile. Courtesy of my friend Bill. Rest in peace, brother. You're still doing good to this day. Alright, Tazer. Oh yeah, Tom Selleck's cousin, man. Guys, you got Minnesota Wild. I think that's a dart. Yep. Yeah, you just get the lowly dart, eh? Or, you know, Chuck gets a nice 84 inserts there. Taz gets a Boom Sauce A. And a double 4. Is Tom Selleck dead? A and a double 4. And Tex, you're up. USA, there you go. Go! Tampa Bay Lightning for Tex. It's going to be some inserts, I think. What is that? Tampa Bay. 2 inserts for Tex. Let me see. I think I'll pull you some of these newer ones here. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice one. There you go. A couple next in line inserts. Ivan Provorov and Dylan Strome. Both very solid rookies, actually. 2 inserts for Tex. Alright, so we're ready for the break. On 15s plus our big uns points. Nice, about $500 in prizes after this dealio is done. Most of them, the card prizes are pretty sweet there. That Bobby Orr, that Gretzky is nice. Patrick Waugh autograph, which I got for a steal, by the way. I threw it in there. Oh, got a thickie. We had a thick one in every box so far, so see what happens. Oh, these are all loose boxes too. I got 5. My supplier only had 5, and I had 1 that I've had sitting around for a while. So I was going to do a case of 12. It would have been even more epic prizes, but whatever. Tex and Taz, you're on the board, Taz. Chucky, Max Reinhardt, hot rookie. The points. And for the Yotes and Pepador, hey, look at that. Pepador grabbing 1 team, and you're in the money with a Connor Murphy 4-point card, sticker auto 2, mem 1, serial 1. And Chucky's got a point. So 1 team grabbing a hit. Good job. Will make you happy, I'm sure. Taz. Chucky. Chuck. Ben Street. Hot rookie for a point. Chuck, another insert for a point. Daniel Carcillo. And Chuck. More Chuck. A lot of Chuck back. So I'll try to get all these points added up tonight. Yeah, 1 hit and Pepador zooms past Brian. That's right, Brian. That's how she works, eh? There's Todd with an Ennis. Matt with the Spezza on the board. Alex Chason for Tex. There's a point. And here's a Todd getting some points. Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm not really surprised at Todd's luck. Dual tag, 1 of 1. Peter Mrazek. So 10 points for the 101. Sticker autos 2. And 2 mems is 12. 14-point card. Plus it's a serial number, 15-point card. Peter Mrazek. And again, guys, I'm just totally not surprised at Todd's luck. He pulls this off for so many years. And a base for Todd as well. That would pull Todd up into the top 3 for sure. Definitely gonna the hit of this box. And he'll probably never watch this break, so he'll never know until he sees the standings and goes, what? Taz. Tex. Tex has got a point. Sean Horkoff. Little ding. It's got the rainbow version as well. Chucky's got a point. Tyler Pitlick. And Jonathan Bernier base for Chuck. We gotta open it, Taz, to see what we get. Need your pointers. Matt's got a piece. Chuck. Some more piece for Matt. Thomas Hurdle. Prism rookie card. Nice little hit. And protects Valerie Niskuskin. Point. And Chucky. Oh, you never know with Panini, man. You know, there's still a thick card to come too, right? Tex. Todd. Chucky. Point. Mason Raymond. Yeah, Niskuskin's in Russia. That's point for... And Tex, you got an auto. 2-point card, Radko Gudas. 2 points for Tex. Yeah, okay, remind me. And Tazer, Chicago base. Got some Tex. Some Chuck. Some Taz getting a point. Anders Lee. Yeah, he is in Philly. I actually seen him playing. And Tex. Tyler Sagan points. Prism update. And some more Matt. Chucky. Todd. Hey, there it is, Bri. Every box, you got one of these. Eunice Rask. A point. For Chuck. Christopher Breen rookie card. And Tazer points. Base points. Yeah, they add up, eh? At the end, those tenths. Chucky. Tex. Horkoff for Tex is a point. And also for Tex, John Albert draft position is a point for the serial number. 25 of 100. Yeah, really, eh? And Tazer base. Let's see what's in the stick pack. Something cool. Might be a Dominion. Not sure. Chucky. Todd. Whoa, nice black. For Tex. These are actually pretty short printed, but I didn't make any rules for these. It's just a point, but it's Matt Molson score black. These are generally thought to be 10 or less. And Chucky's got the last card, a nice player. Stick piece, Evgeny Malkin, 2 points, serial number and stick mem. For Chuck, not too shabby. Black, straight black stick piece. And Todd with the last base. So there we go, guys. Todd's rocketed up into the top 3 at least, and Chucky and Tex are gonna all be at the top. And a couple of you guys are limping in, so hope you enjoy it. And tomorrow night, yeah, first spin is going to be part 4. So thanks a lot for your support. We'll catch you on the next one.